What's up, guys? It's Dan, recording while driving again. I am on my way to pick and pull. I need to grab some car parts. I've been needing to, and they're actually having a half-off weekend, so yay! So I'll see you guys there. All right, here I am. Check out. Now this is the Stockton pick and pull. It's the first one actually. So, pride. So one of the things I'm actually looking for is climate control for a 2005 Grand Am. I already saw a couple, but they look kind of meh. So let's hunt. Here's one right here. I'm gonna check it out. See if it's good. This is actually what I'm looking for. It's my brother's car. The one he has only goes to full blast. So I'm gonna get one of those and hopefully it fixes the problem. Alright, here we go. Got what I needed. Hopefully this unit works. And I'm getting it for half off, so let's hope and pray. It is raining, by the way. It actually just started up again. It did rain earlier, around lunchtime or so it's coming again. But no biggie. I've been to pick and pull in the rain before. When it gets in the downpour, I just hunker down in a car and wait for it to pass. Damn, check out this Metro. What the hell is this for? Sticking out the fender. Gambler 500. Looks like it was a tribute car. Oh, is this a Lemon's car? It might be. I think so. That's pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing I'm looking for is a bottom seat cover for a G35 sedan. That's my mom's car. Yep, my mom's got a Skyline. There's, I forget how many, 4 or so here. So let's see what I can find. Okay, I found one. Let's take a look. It's not opening. The seats are black, which is good. And that's in good shape. That's exactly what I need right there. Unfortunately, I can't open the door. It was just locked. Okay, so this is what I'm after. Everything looks good on it. One problem I might have taking this off is this is a power seat, so I can't adjust anything on it. So you can see there's no battery, but this looks good. It's not ripped or anything. My mom's is ripped really bad, so let's see what I can do with this. Thing is, when you go to pick and pull, you have to take the parts out yourself, so you kind of learn how to work on the car yourself. I spent many days here. That's how I learned. Now there's a bolt here. I can't really fit the tool here, so show you something. Take your wrench, if it's flat enough, and then you can actually double it like so, and then there you go. That should be loose enough for one. Making some progress. This is just held on with plastic clips and rails and whatnot. I say whatnot a lot, don't I? Oh my god, what is that? It's $1. It's just mine. Hey. Okay, let me bring up the speed here. I took the center console out, got that out of the way. So now I can remove this control panel, maybe get the seat cover off of this side. Wonder if there's any more money. How do I unplug this thing? Probably just cut it. It's not my car. And it is raining, but at least I'm in the car, so we're not getting wet. Right. Now obviously when I put this on my mom's car, I can't do this. So right. Should be able to unclip this from here now. There we go. It's coming off nicely, just like that. There is a metal frame here hooked up with hog rings, but I'm gonna remove that later. So I got the seat belt. So yeah, the problem with trying to do this to a car that has power seats without power, that's a challenge. Oh my god. I chose the right car, didn't I? There's nothing else under here. Damn. Finally got it out. Oh man, that was an ordeal. But yeah, this is it. This is all I need. It was hard because there's no power to the seat for me to move stuff around, but putting it on my mom's car will be a lot easier. Hey, I made $6 from it. Alright, got that seat cover. Oh man, at least the rain stopped. Thanks, G. Was a bitch, but sometimes it is. All right, I'm all done. Got what I needed. I didn't spend a lot because only bought a few things, and I got paid $6 in that G35 that I was working on for the seat. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm gonna be working on the said cars tomorrow. So I'll see you then. What's up? So I'm here at my parents' house. You can see the Pontiac right there. The Infiniti is in the garage. And I got Miko with me. Miko, hey, say hi. She didn't want to be left alone, so I brought her with me. All right, let's get to work. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna replace this unit, see if it fixes the problem. Now, I didn't show you how I removed this, so I'll show you a little bit now. I think you just pop this off somehow. Yeah. There we go. Now, I know this is very cheap plastic, and it can break. So, just gotta try to be careful with it. There we go. Alright. Now this unit here is just held on by two 7mm bolts, so I'll go ahead and undo those. Okay, so this is loose. Just yank it out, then just gotta undo the connections here. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now this just comes out. There you go. Out with the old, in with the newer old. Right, so I got the replacement on. Now before I button everything up, I'm going to test it. Okay, so it looks like it didn't fix the problem. As you can see, put it on full blast, and that's the only time it's on. So that has to do with a relay elsewhere in the car. It's not the unit. So it looks like it's a relay issue. I'm gonna have to come back to that another time, because the seat here is gonna take a long time. Hopefully not as long as taking this off. I plan on taking the seat out of the car completely, so that way I have just full access to it. What the hell? Are G35s notorious for being able to lose dollar bills easily between the seats? It's almost like really similar location to the one I found in Pick and Pull. That's my mom, so I'm not gonna take it. She has a bunch of change here too. Jeez. Okay, I got the seat out. You can see the damage she has. Some pretty good cuts here. So hopefully the new one lasts longer. Let's get to work. Alright, I got the seat back removed. It's still connected because there's a wire here, but it's out of the way. I couldn't do this at Pick and Pull because I didn't have much access to the hardware. So yeah, this should go fairly smoothly, a lot smoother than yesterday. Alright, the seat is all done and put back together. Looking nice, not ripped. Now before I put the seat on, I actually treated it with 303 UV protectant just to give it some life, restore it. I just sprayed it on and just let it set. So, and if you keep doing that, you keep treating the leather nice, it'll last for a while. Unlike this. So all that's left to do is put it back in the car. But before I put the seat back in, I gotta clean up this crap. Why is there glitter? Mom, you gotta keep your car a lot cleaner than this. Oh my gosh. Coin after coin after coin. Jeez, all this glitter. Oh, I hate glitter. My hands are sweaty, so it's sticking to them. Look at all this. And $1. Okay. Lipstick, candy, a pill for whatever reason. Wrappers. Here's the glitter container. Oh gosh. Sad to say, but the one at Pick and Pull was a lot cleaner than this. Okay, that'll do for now. It's a lot better. Look at all this. Jeez. You gotta buy lunch. Well, here's some lunch. Alright, the seat is back in. Looks so much better. Now the passenger side is also ripped, but I forgot. As you can see, it's not too bad. I'll leave her cover on here. Will help protect it, I guess. But yeah, so that's all done. Look who decided to stop by. So we're just here to see the dogs. They're both inside. Alright, I'm back home. It was just a little car vlog, something different. The seat cover I got on successfully, looks great. Hopefully it lasts long enough. The climate control though for the Grand Am, that's a relay issue I believe, so I'm gonna have to look further into that. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like what you saw, give one of these. I'm tired. So there's glare right on my mouth. Oh, look at that. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.